Hey guys, Tony here. So I do think the rally on GME or GameStop is actually starting this week. I am accumulating, currently up to 20 shares. I will more than likely buy up until the point that I have probably maybe like 50 shares or so. I do think this rally is going to last another 2 weeks, 3 weeks total. So this week, next week, and the week after. On that third week, depending on where GameStop actually is, I am planning on selling about maybe 70 to 80% of my position. The monthly chart is actually looking, I don't want to necessarily say bearish, but it is looking like it's heading more towards the downside. But as far as the weekly goes, which is the very, very, very important chart, GameStop is looking like it's going to rally for another 3 weeks or so. Definitely, I think it's going to rally for another 2 weeks. That third week is going to be very, very, very important. I'm already accumulating my position. And then, I guess we'll just keep talking about it for the next couple of weeks. So I'll see you guys later.